Bravo, fingers!
Pinching the nose to hold in a sneeze and maintain office politeness is absolutely perfect behavior.
Wait, after holding it in, why are the owner's eyes bulging and the ears ringing in agony like they're about to explode?
Help me! A sneeze is a 100-mile-an-hour hurricane. If you clamp the nose and mouth shut, where does all that massive wind go?
A disaster! The massive pressure violently rebounds into the brain, tearing eardrums and popping the delicate...
Backup is here! Sneeze freely into your elbow or a tissue. Release all the pressure instantly to protect your fragile brain.
Like and subscribe so you don't accidentally hurt yourself.